Hey, welcome to another show. Today in the show, we're going to be talking about singular and plural nouns. You're asking yourself, what is the difference between singular and plural? Well, singular means one. So, for example, if we're talking about nouns, it would be like one animal, one person, one place, or one thing. Plural means more than one. So then if we're talking about a plural noun, that would be more than one person, more than one thing, more than one place, more than one animal. So today we're going to do some examples on singular and plural nouns. So let's get right into it here. Let's put a noun here, cat. You'll notice that cat has C-A-T, does not have an S on it. It's only one cat. I have one cat at home. I don't need more than one cat, but cat is singular. Now, I do know some people that have more than one cat, and when you would say that, it would be cats, and you would add an S on the end of this noun. And so now, cats is plural. Before the S, that is singular. Now with the S, it is plural. So again, I'm just going to review what a singular noun is. It is only one animal, one place, one thing, or one person. And now we have plural. And so that means it's more than one. All right. So it might be 2 cats. It might be 3 cats. It might be 100 cats. So that would be a lot of cats. All right, we have the sentence, the dog jumped. Okay, right away when I'm taking a look at that, I see that dog is singular, all right? But we want to make it plural. We want to say that there's a lot of dogs that are jumping. So all we have to do is now we have to change the singular noun to a plural noun. We have to change dog to dogs. That's right. All we have to do is put an S right here. All right, so let's go ahead and add an S to here. So let's read that again. The dogs jumped. Now we have a lot of dogs jumping. All right, let's take a look at our next sentence here. We have the sentence, the pie smelled good. I wonder what your favorite pie is. Mine is pumpkin pie, and when I smell it, whew, it smells delicious. But sometimes when I go over to my mom's house, she'll have an apple pie and a pumpkin pie. So we have 2 pies. So that makes it not singular, but plural. So now I have to change the singular noun to a plural noun. So I have to add an S. The pies smelled good. Oh, I'll tell you, talking about pies right now sure makes me hungry. Hey, that was pretty easy, cheesy. And one thing I want you to walk away from this lesson is knowing the difference between singular and plural. Remember, singular is only one when we're talking about like one thing or one place, one person. It's only dealing with one. For example, one cat, one yummy pie, or one car. But if you have more than one thing, that is plural. For example, cats, you're going to have 2 or more. Pies, again, 2 or more yummy pies. And cars will be 2 or more. So we have singular and plural nouns. Hey, I hope you're having a great day out there. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure you check out my other cool videos on here. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.